So just a reminder, since you're on the witness stand now, you cannot discuss your testimony with anybody, to include your attorneys, okay? All right.
How could she be cruel?
Miss Heard made some quite heinous and disturbing, brought these disturbing criminal acts against me that were not based in any species of truth. It was a complete shock. There were arguments and things of that nature, but never did I myself reach the point of striking Miss Heard in any way, nor have I ever struck any woman in my life.